Hello everyone, I'm Sarif Zulfikar and today I'm going to discuss the questions from the course outline of ICATS Mathematics Contest for grade 5 and 6. And the topics that will be covered in this video are fractions and decimal. Question number 1, a cup is 2 by 3 full of coffee. What part of the cup must be filled with coffee to make it whole? So our options are option A is 2 by 3, option B is 1 by 2, option C is 1 by 3 and option D is 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 is already full of coffee. So we will subtract 2 out of 3, that is 1. It means our fraction will be 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 part of the cup must be filled with coffee to make it whole. Question number 2, there are 12 runners in a race. A quarter of them wear orange, a half of them wear yellow. How many runners do not wear orange or yellow? So four options are given to us. Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 5, and option D is 6. So there are total 12 runners and quarter means 1 by 4. So quarter of them were orange. So we will write 1 by 4 and multiply it by 12. So 12 ones are 12 divided by 4. Here we will simplify 12 and 4 on the same table. So 12 and 4 come in the table of 2 and 4, but we will take the bigger number. So 4 threes are 12 and 4 ones are 4. So we will write 3 over here. Now half of them were yellow. So we will write 1 by 2, which is representing half. That will be multiplied by 12. 12 ones are 12 and 2 will be written as denominator. 12 and 2 will be simplified on 2 because 12 and 2 come in the table of 2 only. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 ones are 2. So 6 will be written over here. We don't write 1 in the denominator. Then now we have to find out that how many of them do not wear yellow or orange. So we will plus 3 and 6, that is equal to 9. And we will subtract 9 out of the total number of runners, which is 12. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3, which is our option B. So we can say that 3 runners do not wear orange or yellow. Question number 3, which statement about 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 must be true? Option A is the product is between 3 and 4. Option B is the product is less than 2 by 3. Option C is the product is between 2 by 3 and 3. Option D is the product is greater than 4. So we can multiply 2 by 3 by 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 will be written as denominator. So 6 by 3, now we have to simplify this fraction. 6 and 3 come in on the table of 3. So we will divide 6 and 3 by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. But we don't need to write 1 in the denominator of 2. So we will write 2 only. So now if we check all our options, 2 does not come between 3 and 4. So option A is not correct. The product is less than 2 by 3 as 2 by 3 is equal to 0.66 and 2 is not less than this number. So option B is also incorrect. So if we check our option C, it comes between 0.666 and 3, which is our correct option. So we will select option C here. Question number 4, which equation or equations are true? So 4 options are given to us. So while adding the fractions, we have to make sure the denominators of both fractions are same. So here the 100 is in the denominator of one fraction. So we have to make sure we make 100 in the denominator of the first fraction as well. So how is it possible? We can multiply 3 by 10 by 10 to make 100 in the denominator. So look at this. 3 by 10 multiplied by 10 plus 15 by 10. So here 3 tens are 30 and 10 tens are 100. Now we have same denominator, so we can plus the numerators. So 30 plus 15 is equal to 45 by 100. But here in equation 1 answer, it's written 18 by 100. It means equation 1 is incorrect. Now let's check the equation 2. Here again 100 is in the denominator of one fraction and 10 is in the denominator of other fraction. So we will convert 10 into 100 by multiplying it by 10. So 4 tens are 40, 10 tens are 100. When we plus 40 and 32, the answer is 72. It means our equation 2 is correct. Now let's check the equation 3 in the similar way. Here, when we multiply 7 by 10, the answer is 70 by 100. And when we plus it with 2 by 100, the answer is 72 by 100, which is incorrect because here 27 by 100 is written as an answer of equation 3. So now in equation 4, when we multiply 6 by 10 to make the denominator 100, answer is 60 by 100. And when we plus it with 27 by 100, the answer is 87 by 100. So it means our equation 2 and 4 are correct. So we will select option D here. Let's discuss the questions related to decimals. Question number 1, a team of workers took 167.3 hours to complete a task. A smaller team of workers will complete the same task, but it will take them 1.25 times as long as it took the first team. Based on this information, which statement is true? So here 4 options are given to us, and to find out the answer, we will do our calculations. To find out the total time, we will multiply 167.3 by 1.25, which is equal to 209.125. So according to our calculations, option D is the correct option. The task will take the smaller team 209.125 hours to complete, because if we multiply both numbers, the answer is 209.125. Question number 2, Pax wants to make fruit punch for a party using the recipe below. So the recipe is 1.25 liters orange juice, 2.5 liters cranberry juice, and 1 liter ginger ale. He will make 3 times the amount of fruit punch listed in the recipe. What is the total amount of fruit punch in liters that Pax will make? So option A is 4.53, option B is 4.75, option C is 12.90, and option D is 14.25. As we have to make the recipe 3 times, as it's mentioned in the list, we will multiply all the ingredients by 3 and find out the answers. At the end, we will add the values. As there is nothing written after 3, but when we are adding decimal numbers, we add a decimal at the end, and to fill the spaces, we can write zeros. But we have to make sure that decimal should be under the decimal. So now when we add the values, the answer is 14.25. So we will select option D here. Question number 3, Sheila put a new light bulb into a light socket. The light bulb was on for 24 hours a day and burned out after 1806 hours. Sheila did the work below to determine how many days the light bulb lasted. Sheila needs to finish the calculation to find how long in days the light bulb lasted. Which statement about Sheila's calculations is true? So 4 options are given to us. So to find out the answer, let's do the calculations. We know that the bulb worked for 1806 hours in a day. So we will divide 1806 by 24. That is equal to 75 complete days and 6 extra hours. Now, as 6 is part of a day, so Sheila will divide 6 by 24. That will be equal to 1 by 4, and in decimals, the number can be written as 75.25, which is our option B. Sheila completed the calculations by dividing 6 divided by 24 to get 0.25 and found that the light bulb lasted for 75.25 days. Question number 4, Ali has rupees 2,967.50 rupees Does he have enough to buy an English Bulldog and an Australian Shepherd? Option A is yes. Option B is no. Option C is he has rupees 31.94 less amount. Option D is he has rupees 31.94 excess amount. So the price of English Bulldog is 1048.65 rupees and the price of Australian Shepherd is rupees 1950.79. So if we add the values, the total he requires is 2999.44 rupees. But he has 2967.50 rupees. We will subtract the amount out of the required amount, that is equal to 31.94 rupees. So we can say that he has rupees 31.94 less amount than the required amount to buy these two species of dog. So we will select option C here. Question number 5. The total snowfall for a town from Friday through Sunday was 34 inches. On Friday, the snowfall was 11.25 inches. On Saturday, the snowfall was 9.9 inches. How many inches of snow fell on Sunday? So, four options are given to us. So, here, if we plus the amount of snowfall of Friday and Saturday, the total will be 21.15 inches. Now, let's subtract this number out of total amount of snowfall, which was 34 inches. So, the remaining number is 12.85 inches. So, we can say that the 12.85 inches snow fell on Sunday. So, we will select option A here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.